Kitchens in 2026 are no longer just functional spaces for cooking. They're lifestyle hubs where design, technology, and practicality meet. Modern kitchens are designed to be beautiful, efficient, and social spaces that reflect personal style while supporting daily life. Renovations are no longer about following one-size-fits-all trends. They're about combining aesthetics, functionality, and innovation to create spaces you'll love to spend time in. Open concept layouts for seamless flow. One of the strongest trends for 2026 kitchens is open concept layouts. Walls are minimized to connect the kitchen with living and dining areas, creating an airy, spacious feel. Islands become multifunctional hubs for cooking, dining, and socializing. Proper zoning using furniture, lighting, and flooring ensures each area has its own identity while maintaining a cohesive flow. The open concept not only enhances space perception, but also encourages interaction and modern living. Sleek, minimalist cabinets. Clean lines and minimalist cabinetry dominate 2026 kitchen design. Handleless cabinets, push-to-open drawers, and flush surfaces create a seamless, sophisticated look. Matte or textured finishes are preferred over high gloss, as they add depth without being overwhelming. Neutral tones like soft grays, muted whites, and earthy beiges are popular, providing a timeless backdrop that highlights countertops, backsplashes, and appliances. Smart kitchens with integrated technology. Technology is transforming modern kitchens. Smart ovens, induction cooktops, sensor faucets, and automated lighting are no longer optional. They're essential for convenience and efficiency. Integrated appliances that blend with cabinetry maintain the clean aesthetic while adding modern functionality. Voice or app control systems allow you to manage cooking, lighting, and even grocery lists from your phone, making the kitchen smarter and more intuitive. Statement islands and functional workspaces. Kitchen islands are becoming more than just prep spaces. They're focal points and social hubs. Extended counters with seating, hidden storage, built-in appliances, or prep sinks enhance usability while making the island a design statement. In 2026, islands combine beauty and practicality, supporting multitasking while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Material choices that stand out. Countertops, backsplashes, and flooring are key elements for modern kitchens. Stone-inspired quartz, marble, and porcelain surfaces continue to dominate due to their durability and elegance. Matte and textured finishes are popular, providing subtle sophistication without glare. For backsplashes, neutral tones, geometric patterns, and textured surfaces enhance visual interest while complementing cabinets and flooring. Materials are chosen to balance functionality, style, and easy maintenance. Lighting that enhances design and function. Layered lighting is essential in 2026 kitchens. Task lighting under cabinets ensures functional workspaces, while ambient and accent lights highlight architectural details and design elements. Pendant lighting over islands or dining areas creates a focal point and adds warmth. Smart, adjustable lighting allows homeowners to shift moods effortlessly, making the kitchen both practical and inviting. Sustainable and eco-friendly choices. Sustainability is a major trend in 2026 kitchens. Eco-conscious materials, energy-efficient appliances, and water-saving fixtures are increasingly expected. Bamboo or reclaimed wood accents, recycled countertops, and low-energy lighting combine environmental responsibility with style. Sustainable choices not only reduce environmental impact, but also create kitchens that feel modern, thoughtful, and forward-looking. Kitchens that inspire everyday life. The kitchens of 2026 are a perfect mix of elegance, efficiency, and innovation. Open layouts, sleek cabinetry, smart technology, statement islands, and thoughtful materials create spaces that are beautiful, functional, and reflective of modern living. By following these trends, homeowners can transform their kitchens into spaces they'll enjoy every day. Functional hubs that also look luxurious and inspiring. A modern kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. It's a lifestyle statement, a gathering space in the heart of your home.